Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY hydrating lip balm. This is very moisturizing for those dried, cracked lips. So let's go ahead and get started. Cocoa butter will be the first ingredient that I'll be adding to my beaker today. The reason I'm choosing cocoa butter is because it helps to prevent moisture loss and protect the lips. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some mango butter. This is high in antioxidants and it helps to heal those dry and chapped lips. Not only that, but if your lips tend to get irritated easily, this is a great ingredient to use. To help the lip balm become more of a solid form, I will be adding beeswax. Now, beeswax also seals in moisture and it will help to protect those dry, cracked lips. The first oil that I'll be using in this lip balm is going to be castor oil. Now, it's important to note that you need to use castor oil in small amounts, and that is because if you use it in too high of amounts, it can produce a laxative effect in the body. However, I do like castor oil because it helps to really seal in the moisture on the skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some jojoba oil to my beaker. Now, jojoba oil is great when applied to the lips because it forms a barrier that locks in moisture. Once I have added the jojoba oil, I'll be covering my beaker. I'm not showing it here. And then I will be placing it on my stove on the lowest setting until everything is completely melted. Now that everything is completely melted, I will be adding vitamin E. This is a great antioxidant. To give my lip balm a nice vanilla creamy flavor, I will be adding some benzoin essential oil. Before I stir and add my ingredients into my lip balm containers, I want to make sure that the temperature is below 65 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour my ingredients into my lip balm containers. Now, as you can tell at the bottom of my beaker, things have become a little more hard in consistency. So with that, I will just go ahead and gently reheat this beaker and continue pouring until all my tubes are filled. So here is the finished product. I was able to make 5 tubes of lip balm. I'm really pleased with how this formula turned out. And I really do feel like on the lips, this helps to lock in the moisture. My lips feel really hydrated. Here is the formula that I used for the lip balm. Now, when it comes to substitutions, if you don't have beeswax, you can certainly use cerebellina, but just know that it will affect the outcome of the finished product, meaning that the texture won't be quite the same. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.